This is how to fix the USB device not being recognized for Windows. First thing we want to do is go down here to our search bar, look up Control Panel and press on it. From here, we're going to go in the search once again, right here. Look up Power Options and press on that. On the left here, we will click Change when computer sleeps. Change Advanced Power Settings. From here, it says USB settings. We're going to press on the plus icon. Again, the plus icon right below it, the USB selective suspend setting. And we're going to turn this setting as disabled. Press apply and then press OK. And then from this point, you will try the USB stick once again. And if it doesn't work, I'll show you another way. We're going to go down here and open up our File Explorer. Head to the left to this PC. Go to our C drive right here. Locate Windows folder. We're going to scroll until we see INF right here. We're going to search this folder, WPD, and this one where it says WPD MTP, we're going to left click it first and then right click. Then we're going to press on install. Once you install that, we're going to go down here to our Windows, go to the power, and restart our PC. From there, you will try the USB stick again. That is how to fix your USB device not being recognized by Windows.